Hi, welcome back all to Commodity Trader. So today we will discuss on how to draw a pitchfork. And a lot of viewers have requested me to plot a pitchfork on a chart. Just to draw them. To demonstrate how to draw a pitchfork. So I thought I make an exclusive video for same. And not to waste time, let's go to the chart. Okay, here we have Hcltech. I think Hcltech is open, but we need to. Let's expand it to a bigger mode so we can have a better picture. Oh, I think we can press over here. Yeah, I got it. Okay, now we have an expanded mode of Hcltech. Hcltech we have expanded, but here again it's on a daily basis. We need to change this to an intraday. We are trying to do a intraday trading. We are trying to plot a pitchfork on a intraday chart. So we need to change the time frame to 15 minutes. We have it here. We got it. This is in 15 minutes chart. Let's take out the volume so that the plot will be much more clear. Why it's not going? Yeah, it's gone. Okay, now you can see when we enlarge it. This is a picture of Hcltech today. Now today is 21st and we got a very big bullish candle. There is a big move have happened in Hcltech around 30 points. Okay, we started from 822 to let's say 850 whatever. So we need to identify. So what is how pitchfork work? The three most vital elements of a pitchfork is ABC, which is a lower point, a higher point, and we need to find out a intermediate high. Okay, which is a C point. So how this is a totally a mess right now. When we look at this chart, it's not easy to identify. So we need to when we reduce it and when we have to look at it from different angle on a different on a expanded mode, on a reduced mode. So when we look at it, you will get some idea. For example, today I feel these bullishness have started from this candle, for example. Okay, so this candle we can call it as a starting point. As I told you, this could be a starting point. So we go to the starting point. We can start drawing a shift pitchfork from the bottom of this candle. So basically we need to select the pitchfork. I'm not going for the original pitchfork. I will go for shift pitchfork. Actually this worked for me a lot. Much better than any other. Shift pitchfork is giving me better result. This is what I felt from my experience of drawing pitchfork and applying it on a different chart on a different time frame. So I would suggest you for shift pitchfork. And once you select shift pitchfork, of course you know the magnet mode. People who doesn't know what is magnet mode, this is on the left side. Magnet mode snaps. So just activate it. This will help you to cling to the exact point of the candle, the bottom point. So when you drag, it will automatically stick on to the candle's bottom. Now you press you got the A point. Now it's a mess. As I told you, it's very hard to find out from the crowd which is the next candle, which is the next landing spot, which is the high point. Low point we got. Now the B is the high point. So I prefer this candle as the high. Okay, high point, which is a B, and I got the C point. So now here have the shift pitchfork plotted, which is our primary. Let's do some modification. The median line. People who doesn't know what is a shift pitchfork, these are 5 lines. Center point is called the red line, is the median line, which is a pivot point, which is a very important point where the candles are attracted like more of acting as a center point, and a candle will be attracted, pulled back several times to that candle. To that point. So we have the pitchfork plotted, but it's of no help. You can see the first candle itself. Let's change the color of the candle to blue and the wick to wick here to red, so that you can see the points exactly. Okay. So this already rocketed and it breached all the points and it went outside the plot of the shift pitchfork. So we need to follow catch up. How we can catch up? The shift pitchfork, the primary one, which is the basic one which we draw, which acts as a center shift pitchfork. When we press that one, there is an option on the top. What are on the option? What all things are on the option are a clone and copy option. You press the clone, okay, clone. Again, I'm telling you, on the copy clone option, you press the clone. You got another layer of shift pitchfork, okay, occurred once pressing. It has been automatically created. And this shift pitchfork second layer can be dragged onto the top of the first one. Easily you can place it point to point. millimeter. There's no exactly it will play. It will be merged. It will sit on the top of the other one. Now, Now you can see what will happen. The second, it's a wonder, as I told you, it's a magic. See, it breached the first candle on today, 21st, have breached all, rocketed, where it rocketed to the S2, because as I told you, the center point is a median line. It crossed the center point, median line. The next one you can call R1, R2. I'm sorry, this R1 we can call it, because the resistance 1, resistance 2, down will be S1, S2. So it went all the way to the R1, tried to breach it, but no. It tried to cross it, break it, no, it couldn't. 1, 2, 3. So this the center point, the R2 have acted as a resistance, and it has been sent back where it came down all the way to where? Median line. Look how beautiful. So this is how it works. For example, the third, when it failed for the third time, if you are able to sell it at 850 or 848. It would have crossed, it would have given you minimum how many points? 10 to 12 points it would have given you. Now still it is it's roaming around the median, like it's just hanging on to the median, okay, coming back again to the median. Now it's alive, you can see that. So it's not going, it just went to R1 again and came back. So these are all buying and selling points, swing trade, we can call it a scalping. You can play a scalping here. Now it's very clear how shift pitchfork work as a support and resistance, give you an insight or give you a confidence. It won't go anywhere. It will just go to this point. It has to come back. You can adamantly say, and you can be when you trade, the most important thing is to get a confidence, or you have to be sure about where exactly this will retaliate, or it will come back, or it will have a resistance support. So this is the points. This gives shift pitchfork give you a big confidence on as far as the points are concerned, and you will be very much aware exactly where the candles are going towards to. So what I'm trying to say now today, you got an insight on shift pitchfork, exactly what are the support and resistance, and how we can draw it, and how can identify exactly how the candle is going to work for you, the points, how the resistance and support going to work for you. Besides, what I'm trying to say, not only relying on the shift pitchfork, you need some support, right? How can you rely only on shift pitchfork? How you know this will be sent back or reversed from there? How you will find the reversal? You can, already I'm having some templates who people doesn't know. You can save templates like for example, today I have here, let me expand it for you. I have already here stochastics, MACD, and also this one, what do you call it, the EMA crossover saved to the chart. Okay, let me log this chart drawing for you so that it won't go. Okay, now what you can read it together. For example, when you club this stochastics and MACD along with the pitchfork, what have happened here? See, there have been an overbought position here. Along with that one, when you look at this candle, see, these stochastics have exactly turned here. Look how exactly this has given you a sell signal. See, this is a sell signal here in this point. So what I'm trying to say, when you club it together, when you read it together, this shift pitchfork position resistance, which you call it R2, when you club it together with the stochastics and MACD, gives you a very good this is a very good opportunity. This is the best opportunity you can sell it here. And still it is there in next to the median line, and you still the technicals are giving you now see MACD have crossed here. See, MACD has crossed, and this is a perfect sign of a sell. And if it crosses and drag down, you can sure a blue line crosses red, and if it is crossing all the way down, you can make sure this let me take this one for you now today, for example. Okay. And once, as I shown you earlier, if the MACD is crossing going down, and this crosses the median, for example, the body of a full body of a candle happen here down the median, you can make sure this is going to come back, or this will touch this point. For example, you can expect 835 today. Okay, 835. So if you look at the ATP, average price is 841. Okay, so I mean, you can assume, this could happen. For example, this will cross the median, and now this is turning. See, AMI crossover is turning. So already stochastics, as I told you, it's already crossed here. See, the MACD is giving you an indication that there is a sell happening. More of a sell is coming down. So okay, so you can expect this. Now this is a selling point. I would recommend you a sell here for a, I mean, this is a short sell, okay, not a long term, it's a short sell. And looking at the counter, now there is a counter also showing 8 lakh to, I mean, counter is bullish, but still I'm telling you there's an opportunity for a short sell. And if you take advantage of such a small, like 5 rupees, 6 rupees, you can, if you are targeting such small profit, you can go for a short sell here. And what is the point? This is a median. You have to be very careful. This has to be crossed strongly, then only you can expect 835. Otherwise, if it is hanging on to the median, means it's a support. It's taking support there. So you cannot, you have to this will act as a support. So what will happen? If it is hanging on to the median line, you can take it as a support. From there, what would happen? It will go up. So Hcltech is on a bullish mode. So we have to compare also stochastics and MACD, not only on the 15 minutes. I'm talking about 1 hour. You select another chart, put there a 1 hour candle, and you have to apply stochastics and MACD on a 1 hour and compare it. When you compare, if a 1 hour is giving you a bullish sign, like if it's giving you a buy signal, don't go for sell. Then you have to stick on to the sell signal. Buy signal. If it's giving you buy, go for buy. Always prefer buying. Don't go for sell, because when a longer time frame is giving you a buy signal, don't stick on to smaller time frame, or don't go against it. Okay, don't go against. Just comply to what the higher time frame is giving you. The higher time frame is giving you higher buy option, go for buy. Okay, that's it. So what I'm trying to say now, you have the shift pitchfork drawn on a lower time frame, and you have a better picture, and you can see your EMA crossover also helping you. EMA crossover have given you a buy signal. See, today morning also given a buy cross here, and it has worked wonderfully. So with the with the help of technicals and shift pitchfork will act you as it will give you a clear picture, transparent picture as to the points where we need to concentrate, support and resistance, along with the the technicals, as I told you, MACD and stochastics. You can do wonders, and you can make utilize of the intraday chart to its best. And I believe this chart demonstration of the shift pitchfork have given you an insight onto how to draw it and utilize the shift pitchfork to its best, I would say, and make profit. And I'm sure you will get confidence from today, and you will be confident on how to draw this one and make utilize of the situation. To any level, like whether it's a crude or it's on a equity chart, or whether it's on a whatever, you can plot it on any chart and utilize the shift pitchfork to its best. Hope you enjoyed, and I would recommend you to start working on it on a daily basis. Just practice it on different charts. Work it on different charts, so that you will get some idea on how to draw it, and you will get confidence. Gradually you will gain confidence, and you will be able to apply it on a daily basis, and you will be able to enjoy the best of the shift pitchfork. Okay, hope you guys enjoyed, and I wish you all the best. Thank you very much.